Hi, this is Isha. You're watching a video with justtutors.com. In today's video, we'll be learning about using brackets. Here in this lesson, we'll see how the answers change when we use the brackets. Let's start our lesson with some warm-up questions. You can pause the video here to try these questions. In the first one, we need to solve 7, and in brackets we have 8 take away 3. So 7, and as we don't have any sign between 7 and the brackets where 8 take away 3 is written, so that means we put a times sign there, that is multiplication sign. So 7 times 5, because 8 take away 3 is 5, so the answer is 35. In the next one we have 2, and because there's no sign in between, we'll write a multiplication sign in between, and 10 take away 3 is 7. So here the answer is 14. If you have calculated the same answer, it's really good that you know basics of working with brackets. Let's begin to work more with using brackets. The first thing to remember is that in an equation, if you see brackets, the first thing that you do is you turn everything inside the bracket into a single number, and then we do the operation outside that bracket. Let's see what happens if you're multiplying this with 9. So 9 times 5 take away 2, and here, because in brackets is 5 take away 2, we first solve 5 take away 2, which is 3. And do make sure that when you're solving the brackets and you're writing a single number here, you don't put brackets anymore. You remove the brackets, and this is how we write 9 times 3. Now 9 times 3 is 27. So this is our answer. Let's see how we can expand the brackets. Before learning about expanding the brackets, let's have a quick review what is expanding the numbers. For example, if I write a number 36, how can we expand this number? How can we break it down into tens and ones? So here at the tens we have 30, and then we can put a plus sign in between and then a 6 at the ones. So this is how we expand 36 as 30 and 6. We'll use the same concept to solve our questions here. Let's look at the first question, 27 times by 3. So let's see how we can write 27. 27 can be written as 20 add 7. You can look at this here, 20 and 7 we have. Now when we are working with brackets, we can work by multiplying the number by each of the expanded number. Like 27, when written as 20 and 7, it can be multiplied by 3 separately. It will give the same answer. Instead of directly working with 27 times 3, we worked with 20 times 3 and then 7 times 3. And because there's a plus sign in between, so we put the plus there. What is 20 times 3? It's 60. What is 7 times 3? It's 21. So this is our answer. Let's work with this one. 48 times 5, and we can work 48 as 50 take away 2, and we need to times this by 5. Now when I'm expanding the brackets, I'll first write 50 times by 5, and then because there's a minus sign in between, so I put a minus sign and then the brackets again. Then it's 2 times by 5. Now what is 50 times 5? It's 250. Then take away 10. So the answer to this question is 240. This is how we work with brackets when we are expanding. With this, we have some practice questions. You can pause the video here to try all your answers, and when you are done, make sure that you check your answers with the answer slides provided here. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.